Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So to transfer money from Wise to GCash, what we need to do first is we need to access our Wise account. So I'm accessing Wise from my PC here, so go to wise.com to go to our website. So in this case, what we need to do next here is we want to go ahead and basically proceed with our transaction. Let's go ahead and click on the send option or button here. Now, what we need to do is we now need to specify the amount. But since we want to send to GCash, make sure that the recipient gets section is actually set to PHP, since GCash by default uses Philippine peso as its currency. So in this case, for example, we are going to send around $100. Let's go ahead and just basically start doing this. So for example, you could go ahead and choose what you're paying with. So in this case, you could go ahead and click on connected bank here, wire transfer, international wire here. So this is going to be your payment method, not the way of actually the recipient will be getting their money. So this is your payment method. Now, once you've chosen this, let's go ahead and click on the continue button here. Now, you need to set your recipient here. So in this case, just click on add a recipient. And from here, you want to either choose the following: enter a bank details or search Wise here. So if you choose enter bank details, so you either choose yourself or someone else. If you want to choose someone else, make sure to choose them. Now from here, you need to enter the email address, but it is recommended, but this is optional. You have the two options under bank details. You have local bank account, and we also have e-wallet. So in this case, since we are sending to GCash is a form of e-wallet. So go ahead, switch to e-wallet. And from here, you want to enter their full name of the actual recipient, and you want to choose the wallet provider. So in this case, choose GCash in here. Now, the recipient's wallet number is actually the recipient's mobile number. So it's going to give you an example here. So it's supposed to start with 63, which is the country code of the Philippines. So 63 plus the actual number of the recipient. So make sure to ask them the correct number here. Make sure the details that you see here are correct. Now in this case, choose the country, city, recipient address, and postcode here. But once you've added all those details, you can just go ahead and proceed with the next page here. So since in this case, I've already added this one, so go and choose this one as an example. So in this case, what you need to do is you now need to verify yourself using an ID. But once you've verified yourself, you should be able to see the review page, which in this case, again, review the details that you are going to use or you're going to use for sending. And finally, you just need to pay for it. In this case, just follow the next steps and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.